What's up there? I'm Anastasia, a stretching coach, and today we are going to do a 10 minutes post-run stretch to release the tension. Let's go. We begin in a half standing position, bending your knees, and put your hands on the knees, and from here we straighten the knees and press. Make sure your back is straight here and release. One more. Straighten the knees and stretch. Also move your ribs down, do a gentle pulses and release. One more. Pulse, release. A few more times. And 1, 2, release. 3, 4, and 5. Make sure your back is straight. 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Release your body down. Put your hands down. And from here we are going to straighten one knee, bend, and then switch to another. And bend. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Make sure your ribs are touching your legs. And 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Put your hands underneath your feet. We do inhale here. And with the exhale, we straightening the knee. Good job. Relax. Sit down. Inhale here. And with the exhale, straighten the knee fully. And sit down. Inhale. And straighten the knee fully. Good job. Relax. Inhale. And straighten the knee fully. Perfect. Few more times. And straighten the knees. Good job. 2 more. And straight. And the last one. And we hold it here. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Release your hands. Put one leg to the center and another leg in a cross position. And from here, our head going up. We do inhale. And with the exhale, we put our hands fully down. Make sure your knees are straight. If it's hard for you to stay here, you can go a little bit up here. And with the exhale, go all the way down as low as you can. And 1, 2, exhale. 4, and 5, 6, down. 7, 8, and 1, 2, down. 3, 4, and 5, 6, down with the exhale, and we hold it down. We hold, breathe deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Switch legs. Boom. Ready? We go up first. Inhale, and with a straight back, we go all the way down. Up. 1, 2, down. 3, 4, and 5, 6, down. 7, 8, and 1, 2, down. 3, 4, and 5, 6, and we hold down. 7, we hold. 8, we hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Let's move our feet behind, and we go into downward facing dog. Exhale here, and we add bicycle here, bend one knee. We do the push with our chest and our ribs inside, and switch to another feet. Boom. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Exhale, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's put our legs a little bit wider. Feet is looking a little bit inside. And we add extra 10 pulses. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, 10. Good job. Let's put our feet closer. We grab one foot and put it on the side so we can stretch this muscle here, and we move our hips right and left. Right and left. Feel the stretch. We go 10, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 3 more, 8, and 9. Good job. 10. Switch to another foot. Grab the feet, put it on the side, gently, carefully. Hands down. And we move our hips right and left. And 1, and 2. Rotate your hips a little bit. 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10. Good job. Relax. The left leg is going backwards, and we're going into deep lunge. Make sure you have a 90 degrees here in your feet, shoulders back. Relax fully. Let's hold this position for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Tuck the back toes. Put the hands down and straight the back knee. And we add pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Relax and grab the back feet. From here, we push our feet towards our hips. 1. Make sure you press your hips down. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. 2 more, and 7. The last one, we hold 8. We hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Release. From here, we push our right knee to the side, opening the hips. 1 and 2. Push to the side. 3 and 4 and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good job. Let's switch legs. Going into deep lunge, 90 degrees angle, shoulders back, and relax here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Let's put our hands down, tuck the back toes, and we add pulses. Straight the back knee. Hips down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Grab the back feet. And from here, we push our feet towards our hips. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. The last one, we hold 8. We hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, release, 10. Let's open up the left knee to the side. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. Rotate yourself to the middle lunge and go down to your hips. From here, we are going lean side to side. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Now let's hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. And from here we move forward and hold it here for 10. Go to your lowest position. 9, 8, 7. Deep exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Come back to center. And we are done for today. Thank you so much for watching this video and training with me. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to put a like and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you're not going to miss any new stretching, fitness, Pilates, workouts or tutorial videos. And I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye!